I don't know what it is about this gate, but it seems to be a magnet for things smashing into it. So somebody with a mower come by and clipped the last 3 bars here and the main post and bent it all out. So we have to bend those bars back, try to bang that thing straight, and then weld them back in. This is the same gate that got hit on this side not even 6 months ago by a deer. I got some video of that, but yeah, deer basically went flying into the thing and slid down in, but we got him out. He was all right. So, see about getting this fixed. See if we get lucky, try to bend this back. Well, that's pretty good. It's not too bad. Yeah, that'll work. Well, I whacked it a few times with the sledge and it's coming in. So I'm just gonna give it a few more whacks here. Well, that about wraps that up. Not too bad, only took about 45 minutes. Well, hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you have a great day, and God bless.